Hey guys, it's Chocho season, or Chayote, what you would call it, and I think I've got this prickly ones this year. As you can see, it's very prickly, but I am having a lot of problem with either the ants or the squirrel, because they're just going around and chopping the vines, eating the leaves. And I had hope that I would get a lot of chayotes this year, because then at least I can give away chayotes. So this one is the first one that actually came out and that was pollinated, but it's stuck between the can you see, it's stuck between the, what's it called, the metal. It's stuck right between the metal. So I like when it's literally ready to pick, I'll have to prise it open. I'll have to just kind of, be a loss, sort of, not gonna come out as good as how it should. But there's a lot of blossoms. So I don't know if you guys know about chayote, chocho. We know of it in Jamaica. So I am growing the white one. As you can see, that's a white one, and there's a lot of twins. You can see there's a lot of twins, and I think I've seen a triplet as well, and even a double one here. It's like fused together. There's two of them. I'm just hoping that the squirrel don't bite them off, because I'd love to see lots of white ones this year, but it is not happening. But yeah, the vines are, I'll show you where they crop the vines. They chop it. They literally chop it. Let me show you. Hold on. Right. If you look closely, guys, you'll see right here where they chop the vine. So it has to be making another vine actually to start all over again. And this is where they chop on the leaves. If you notice, I got copper tape to stop the snails, which I thought it was the snails. And look, so they chop the leaves. This is what they do. They chop on the leaves. They just go for my chocho. Look up in here so you can see where they just chop the leaves. Chop. But let's hope and pray that I get a few harvests this year. It's something that I really love to grow. It's one of the first things I started on this channel. But so far, so good. The blossoms and the bees are working really good, definitely. And there's chocho right where I'm able to just use my hand and just pick it right there. So this is the vine inside here. I'm under the harbor. Remember that the vines can be ferocious. They're quite invasive, take over. They really can push. But this year somehow, I don't know what's going on. My vines are not running as how it should. I don't know, but anyway, it looks okay. So this is the first one that's stuck right between the metal. You can see where the metal is eating into it. Yeah. And look, you see where they cut the vine there as well. So the vines are running. Hopefully, I survive and get a few. But so far, guys, the garden is looking good. Yes, the gungo peas. I will not do a video. And can you see that there's a fox? Where is he going? This fox keep coming up there,